This is a stock terminal. This is what we usually use on our loudspeakers. Actually, we're using this on one of our loudspeakers, but we have decided to go with designing our own set of terminals. So this is actually one terminal that we designed ourselves, and this will be used on our new speaker coming up. But we started, designing our own terminal plates to go with our loudspeakers, and this is just one of them. And we also have another one. This is actually right here. This is actually from our Pro speaker terminal. As you can see, this one has the binding post, and it also has a speak on connector. So you can actually wire the speaker. You just don't have one type of connector to wire your speaker. Now you have two type of connectors built into one terminal, so you can wire your speaker. So if you don't want to use the binding posts right here, you can actually use the speak on connector for it. So this is, on our Pro speakers, but we also will be adding this type of terminal to our home speakers, our hi-fi loudspeakers.